What's up, everybody? It's your boy Black from illuminaughty.com. Today, I am doing an unboxing from the homies over at Blvck. They sent me over one of their keyboards, and it's the Blvck B840. And yeah, let's get right into it, man. You know, there's some stuff right here, some words. Now, as you can see, there's even more words and some pictures here. You can just pause the video right now and just read it yourself. Now you're probably wondering, how am I going to open up this box? I'm going to use this knife. Maybe? No. Am I going to use this screwdriver thing? No. What about these scissors? What? The scissors? Nah. Well, these are the scissors. Huh? Nah. I'm going to do something else. I'm using the more conventional, like Arctic Silver thermal paste, you know. Alright, so once the Arctic Silver thermal paste is applied, just open the box as you normally would. Shout out to Arctic Silver, my favorite brand of thermal paste. You know, just apply it to your CPU or when you're trying to open boxes like me. Now, there's these tabs on the side of the box here. Just watch me struggle open them both at the same time. I probably should have prioritized opening one at a time, and I'm doing that now. Okay, I got smart in this, but am I gonna, what am I doing? I'm trying to push it out. I think I'm trying to push this out. Yeah, I'm gonna push it out. Just give me a second. Ignore the background too. And here it comes. Wow, there is a box. What's inside of this box? Anyone guess? There's Blvck's logo. Oh wow, look at all that bubble wrap. I thought that bubble wrap is fun. Actually, it is fun. I still got the bubble wrap too. It's just sitting here. Ooh, wow, a keyboard. A keyboard was in the keyboard box this entire time. Who would have guessed that? Who would have guessed that? That's impressive. That's amazing. Alright, it looks like I don't know what I'm doing, but hey, is there more in the box? Ooh, we got this little pamphlet, a quick guide, it says. Flip it around, so the logo, up. And there's nothing else in the box. It looks like there's nothing else. Just foam and air. Yeah. Alright, and here's this quick guide. Let me open it up for you guys. And it's a very quick guide. It's not much in here.